Well done, milkshakers.
When you race with Team Thomas, friendship always wins. Milkshake, brought to you by Thomas and Friends.
My number one star, the silver hatch in his little white cap. Come on, Rory, one more lap. Rory, the racing car. Rory, my number one star. He's coming to the line, looking real fine. Watch out, Rory, the ride behind you. Come on, Rory, the racing car. Rory, my number one star.
Silver Hatch Racetrack could be a pretty noisy place, especially when Big Chris was singing karaoke.
I got a heart of chrome, a mobile home. My engine's tuned, I got shiny cause I'm a motor man. Oh, I'm a motor man.
Oh, be quiet.
Hello, Rusty.
Turn it down.
How's the rock and roll life treating you?
Oh, hello, Rory. Too much rock and way too much roll. Having Big Chris singing inside me's like having a bad tummy ache.
Big Chris!
Who?
Big Chris!
Who's that now? Oh! Oh, it's you, Rory. Did anybody ever teach you not to interrupt a singing mechanic?
Sorry, Big Chris. Do you want me to do any training today?
Well, I've got a big karaoke competition tonight. I'm in the grand final. I can win a toaster. I've got to get my outfit picked up from dry cleaners, I've had my jumpsuit widened, and I've got to find time to practice my karaoke. I've given all the other cars the afternoon off. Come on, off you go.
Brilliant! See you, Big Chris!
Ta-ra, Rory. Right. OK, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hit it.
Oh, no.
I got a heart of chrome, a mobile home.
I've got it.
Motor man. I don't know where the spanner is, I don't know where's my hat, but I can fix the tyre in 30 seconds flat, cause I'm a motor man.
That looks fun. Can I play?
Yes, wonderful.
I got the microphone, let the race begin, cause I'm a motor man. Oh, I'm a motor man. Grrr. I don't know where the spanner is, I don't know where
That's not as easy as it looks. Well, maybe I'll go and see what the others are doing with their afternoon off.
Ta-ta, Rory.
Hey there, Rory boy. We got a new game here. This is called Springy Medal.
That looks like fun. Can I have a go? Of course.
Not too hard.
Sorry, guys. Perhaps I'll go and see what Marsh is up to. Typical. It's all very well Big Chris taking the afternoon off for karaoke, but we've still got to fill the gravel traps.
Don't you worry, Marcia girl. This won't take long. I'll drive along slowly and drop a bag when you toot your whistle.
Hello, Marcia. Hello, Plugger. Can I help? Best Marcia out, Rory. Those gravel bags are heavy.
Hello. Who wants to try my latest drink invention? It's not lemonade. It's not orangeade. It's carrotade.
Not just now, thanks, Fish.
What in the name of soggy carrots is that?
Big Chris, practicing karaoke. Oh, listen to him. He sounds like he's in terrible pain. He must have his walkie-talkie on by mistake.
That sounds like thirsty work. I bet he'd like to try my carrotade. I'll zoom over with you.
I don't know what's wrong with Rusty. He's on one. Upset tummy or something, I don't know. Hey, I can practice in here. This is perfect. Here we go. Come on. Where's my harmonic? Right. Bit more practice with this. I'll soon have my hands on that toaster.
I got a heart of chrome, a mobile home. My engine's tuned, I got shiny shoes, cause I'm a motor man. Oh, I'm a motor man.
Hey, Big Chris, want to try my carrotade?
Watch out, watch out! Oh, you clumsy little rabbit! Why don't you open your eyes? You're joking. Look, it's wet through. Look at that. It's up. Oh, right. I am not happy.
Oh, I don't think the machine likes that carrotade. Sorry, Big Chris.
Sorry, it's too late now. I am out of the competition and you are out of here. Go on, clear off. Burnt out, look at it. It's ruined. Absolutely ruined.
Oh, no. Well, can't you practice anyway?
What with? I can't practice karaoke without any backing music, Rory. Flash has ruined my karaoke machine, pouring carrotade in it, and... Oh, you can forget about that toaster. That's gone. Competition's over. Finito, bonito.
That's a good sound.
I'm not in the mood, Rory. I'm not in the mood for this.
Come to think of it, I heard a lot of good sounds today. Hey, I think I've got an idea. OK, Big Chris, time to practice your karaoke.
Hey, but Rory, you know my karaoke machine isn't working.
You don't need the machine. We're going to make your music.
You lot make music?
There are musical sounds all around if you listen.
Hey, I like it. Yes. Oh, yes, I like it. That's not bad, that. Hey, hang about, let me get my microphone. Hey.
Walker, Tin Top, CC Maxi,
And me.
Drifter, Molcom, Marsha, Flash, and Ellie. We are the champions, and we know what to do. We are the champions, and we are here for you.
You're dead right, Rory. There are fantastic musical sounds all around the place. You know, it just took my #1 star to make me notice.
Oh, thanks, Big Chris. So, ready for the competition?
You better believe it, my son. Thanks a bundle, you lot. You've really done me proud. I'll see you later, everybody. Don't wait up. I've got my key.
Good luck, Big Chris.
Rock on!
There really were wonderful sounds to be heard all over Silver Hatch. In fact, the sounds were so good, everyone decided to play again.
knew you'd be happy about that. Oh, and guess what? I've got brand new Paw Patrol for you at 20 to 7. Can't wait to watch that. Still to come, we've got Toby in 5 minutes. Then we'll get Dancing with Angelina Ballerina at 5:45. But now let's join Captain Daddy Pig and, of course, Peppa Pig too.
All aboard for endless fun and non-stop adventures. Milkshake, brought to you by Thomas and Friends.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Captain Daddy Pig.
Peppa and her family are borrowing Grandpa's boat for the day.
Remember, Daddy Pig, push the lever forward to go forward.
Aye, aye, Grandpa Pig. Forward.
And back to go back.
And back. Simple.
And please look after my boat. I've just had it painted.
Oh, Grandpa Pig, what an old fusspot you are.
Are my crew ready?
Yes, Captain Daddy Pig.
Then let's go.
Oh, the boat is moving backwards.
Ah! Watch out for the bridge!
Oops.
Oh, that was close.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a lovely time.
I hope my boat comes back in one piece.